What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Breaking Now, and we are saying thank you so much for all the support that you guys gave for this wonderful cause. We are suiting up a young man who has actually had to continue has put his hockey career on a hold because he had some financial issues. So we do appreciate all the support we gave. It is for the Rio program here in St. John's, Newfoundland. So much they need a lot of support, and we're giving them a lot. So I do appreciate it, guys. We're live. Good luck. We got top 5 names after 4 randoms are taking home prizes. First prize is $50 break credit. The second prize is a box of Upper Deck Full Force. And the 3, 4, and 5 prizes are surprise packs that I made up myself. There's jerseys, autograph cards, packs of cards, all kinds of little goodies in there, so you'll enjoy them for sure. Let's do the timestamp thing, and we'll figure out our winners. 11:17 on the clock. And here's your list. We got Amanda all the way on the top with 10 spots, down to Tanner with 5 on the bottom, guys. Best of luck. It is 11:17. We're going 4 randoms. Here we go. 1. We got 313. 2. 3 is a timestamp. And then we will figure out our winners. Here we go. Third timestamp is at 11:17. Just turned 11:18. Last and final random. Top 5 are our winners. Here we go. All right, up first we got Amanda Courtney. She is taking home our $50 break credit. Congrats there. Michael Remerchuk, he is taking home the box of Full Force. And then we got Andrew Reeves, Kelly Martins, and Jake Scott all getting the surprise pack put together by yours truly. So Amanda, Michael, Andrew, Kelly, and Jake. We had 5 different winners out of that. Good stuff. Here's your timestamp on 4. And we'll copy it over. Last and final timestamp on this fundraiser is at 11:18, and 11:18 it is. So congratulations again. On top of the list, we got Amanda Courtney, Michael Remerchuk, Andrew Reeves, Kelly Martins, and Jake Scott. So congrats, guys. Thanks for all the support on this wonderful cause, and we'll see you again soon.